Yeah, so what is going on, guys? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching from. You know, this is your boy Forex Strategy Factory. Yeah, everything I talk about is how you make some kind of money online, using Facebook. Okay, a lot of people don't even know that you can use your Facebook to generate, extra cash. Okay, when I say extra cash, maybe that is the time you start. You got started. That is going to be like extra cash. But if you continue to do same like what I do, talking on Facebook, messaging, okay, on Facebook, engaging with people on Facebook, you know, and you are promoting your business, sharing that business to people, definitely before a twinkle of an eye, I tell you, that is going to replace your daytime job. Because you don't know the power of Facebook, like how many millions of people you can reach in a month. Okay? If you engaging with people on Facebook, communicating, making friends and building relationship. And maybe one day you get a kind of legitimate business which you can share to them. See? Those are the people that they are going to come and patronize you because they already know you. This is how to make money with Facebook. Okay? Now, back to the topic we're talking about, few years ago, 2016, 2015, everybody looking for a kind of opportunity to make some cool cash online. But you see that out of 10 chances, 9 is going to be a scam and only 1 is going to be legit among 10. So, but you don't know how to grab that one. Okay, but if you are somebody like me that you understand that if somebody now share for me 10 opportunities or 10 chance to escape some financial nonsense, if I have 10 chances and only 1 is going to be real, someone like me, what did you think I did? You see what? I pick all the 10. I pick all the 10. I pick all the 10. I follow them. I take a look at them until, I got the real one. You see, I want to tell you something like the real thing will never overpromise you. Okay? The real thing that is going to pay you will never be making noise, will never be like overpromising. You understand? 2016, 2017, 2015, all the scams, they are ambiguous and overpromising. They are like highly inviting. You cannot keep your eyes away from those things. And that is how to identify scam. You understand? Those days we don't know, but now, been online for so long, so I know how to identify scam. So what I'm trying to say now is the link I share with you, or the purpose of making this video is to talk to you about how you can make tangible amount of money that can replace your own daytime job. If you take a look, you will see the link that I'm going to put under this video is always like, is it $200 per $2,000 per day.com. That's my website, That's the link I'm promoting. That's the business I'm promoting. You understand? As it is on the website, $2,000 per day. You see, a lot of people are making it, but it is not like you're going to join today and you're going to be making $2,000 per day, but you got to put in the little work. You know, the little work you're going to put in is getting leads. You know, getting leads, talking to people. You understand? Communicating with people. That is the only thing you got to do. And when these people join under you, you understand? You realize that, you know, as they pay, they upgrade, you know, money comes to you. You see money under your dashboard. Someday, if you start with $7, okay, you might see $7, $6 inside your dashboard. But if you are the type that you are a kind of gold member, and you got some people that everything they have done is that they have upgraded to a gold member. You understand? Sometimes you wake up and see like $100, $200, you know, okay? Depends on how many people you get under you. You might see $500 on a daily basis, okay? And that is how to be like, let's say it's a movement into financial freedom. You understand? This is the reason why I come out and I started sharing the business, how to make money on Facebook, you know? So, if you love what I share, you can make a comment under this video and put a comment, any comment, you know. I know you guys, the comment you always share, you say DM, info, you know, I'm interested, that's everything. Put whatever you like there. I will come and DM you. I will DM you the link, okay? So take care, man, take care, man. Or I may put the link under this video. Just click it, watch the video, try to understand it, and any question, get back to me. This is your boy Forex Strategy Factory. Hey, bye-bye.